Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download Triller videos. So this will save Triller videos to camera roll. So for this I'm going to show you how to do it on other people's Triller videos. But first of all I'm going to show you how to do it on your own. So go to your account profile right here, as you can see. Click on the Triller that you want to download. Then click on the three little dots at the bottom right hand corner. That will bring up this menu here, and then it's going to say share. You're going to want to click on that. Then once this comes up, you're going to want to click download, and then it will say Triller would like to access your photos. You want to click OK for that. Then it will say creating video, saving to your album. And that's done for that. And now for other people's, what you're going to want to do is go ahead on someone else's one like this one here. Click the three little dots here again. Then you want to click share. Then it's the same process as the other one, so just click download, and then that will save to your camera roll. Same type of thing on the Android as well as the iPhone or iOS devices like the iPad. But leave a like on the video if this did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on this app. There's going to be other Triller videos in a playlist going in depth and also like an overall one. So click on them if you want to. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.